Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit video like a pro using KineMaster. Don't worry, it's easy even for the beginners. Let's get started. First, open the KineMaster. Tap on the plus icon to create a new project. Choose your video ratio like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for Short. Now select your video clip and tap next. Tap on the video clip in the timeline. Use trim option to cut unwanted part. Remove extra clip to keep your video clean and professional. Shorts and clear video looks better. Tap audio to choose background music. Adjust the volume so music do not cover your video. You can also add sounds effect for transactions or accents. Good audio makes your video more engaging. Tap the small box between two clips. Choose smooth transactions like fade or slide. Add effect only when needed. Don't overuse them. Simple edit looks more professional. Tap on clip and open color adjustment. Fix brightness, contrast and saturation. You can also add text or titles using clean font. Keep text shorter and easy to read. When editing is complete, tap export. Choose 1080p or 4K for best quality. Wait for the video to render. Now your professional video is ready. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.